Thank you for joining me to hear a special story. This story is about hope, courage, and dreams. My name is Sophia. I was born in a small town in a quiet part of the world. Life was simple there. People knew each other. Everyone followed the same routine every day. But deep inside, I had big dreams. I wanted to become a doctor. I wanted to help people, especially the poor and the weak. But in my town, it was hard. Schools were not good. We didn't speak English well. Most girls got married young, but I didn't want that. I wanted more. I wanted freedom. I wanted to study, grow, and live a big life. My parents were not rich. My father was a farmer. My mother worked at home. They loved me a lot. But they didn't understand my dreams at first. They thought I should live a normal life like other girls. I cried many nights. I didn't want to hurt them. But I couldn't give up. I studied hard. I read books. I learned English from YouTube. I practiced every day. My friends laughed at me. They said, "Why are you trying so hard?" But I didn't stop. After college, I got a scholarship. It was for a language course in Canada. I couldn't believe it. I was scared but excited. My parents were shocked too. My mother cried. She hugged me and said, "Go, my child. Make us proud." I packed my things and said goodbye to my town. I was ready for a new life. Canada was very different. It was cold. People spoke fast English. I couldn't understand much at first. I felt alone. I missed my home, my family, and my mother's food. But I didn't cry. I joined a language class. I talked to strangers. I worked in a cafe to earn money. Every night I studied. I watched English movies. I repeated words again and again. Slowly, I got better. I started making friends. I began to understand jokes. My teacher said, "Sophia, you are improving fast." That gave me hope. After 6 months, I applied to a medical school. I was nervous. My English was still not perfect. But I wrote a strong essay. I told my story. I talked about my dream and my hard work. One morning, I got an email. I was accepted. I jumped with joy. I called my mother. She cried again, but this time with happiness. Medical school was very hard for me. Every day, I had to learn many new words. Some words were difficult to say and understand. I had to study long hours, sometimes late into the night. There were many exams, and I felt pressure to do well. I also had to do practical work in hospitals. At first, it was scary. I saw patients who were very sick. I had to be careful and strong. Sometimes I felt very tired and my body hurt from so much work. Sometimes I wanted to stop and give up because it was too much. But then, I remembered my small town where I came from. I thought about the little girl who had big dreams and did not give up. I thought about my parents who believed in me. This gave me strength. I worked harder every day. I asked for help when I needed it. I made new friends who supported me. Slowly, I passed my exams one by one. Finally, after many months, I graduated with good marks. I was proud and happy. My dream had come true. Today, I am a doctor. Every day, I help people who need care. I talk to patients, listen to their problems, and try to make them feel better. I speak English confidently now. I can explain things clearly to patients and doctors. I live in a big city with many hospitals. Life is busy but exciting. Even though I have a new life, I never forget where I came from. I remember my small town, my family, and all the hard times. These memories keep me humble and kind. I know many girls in my town still face the same problems I had. Every year, I visit my town to see my family and old friends. I meet young girls who want to study and have dreams like me. I tell them my story and listen to their stories too. I tell them, don't stop dreaming no matter how hard life is. Work hard, learn English, and believe in yourself. Your life can change, just like mine did. Seeing their eyes light up with hope makes me happy. I want to help them find their own path. I want them to know that anything is possible if they never give up. Sometimes, I think about how different my life is now. I live far from my small town, but my heart is always there. I remember the quiet streets, the simple homes, and the faces of people I grew up with. I remember the times when I had little money and few chances. Those memories remind me to be thankful for what I have today. They also remind me to be kind to others, especially those who are struggling. I believe that kindness and hope can change the world, little by little. Helping others is not just my job, it is my passion. I have started a small group to teach English and science to girls in my town. We meet every weekend, and I share books, videos, and stories. I want these girls to know that education is a key to freedom. I want them to dream big and work hard like I did. Sometimes, I bring my medical tools and show them how doctors help people. Their smiles and questions give me new energy. I feel proud when I see their eyes shining with hope. I know my journey is not over yet. There are still many challenges ahead, but I am ready to face them with courage and patience. I want to become a better doctor, learn new things, and help more people. I want to build a future where every girl can choose her own path. My story is one small example of what is possible when you believe in yourself. I hope it can inspire many others to keep trying no matter what. I want to tell everyone who is listening to my story, never give up on your dreams. Life may be hard sometimes. You may face many problems and feel like stopping. But remember, every small step forward is progress. Keep learning, keep trying, and keep believing in yourself. Your hard work will pay off one day. You have the power to change your life, no matter where you come from or how difficult things seem. Believe in your dreams, even if others do not. Surround yourself with people who support you and lift you up. Use every challenge as a chance to grow stronger. Remember, success is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to continue when things are tough. You can be that brave person. You can write your own story of hope, courage, and success. So, to every girl and boy who wants a better life, dream big, work hard, and never lose hope. The world needs your light and your talent. One day, you will look back and smile, knowing that you made it. Your journey will inspire others too. Keep moving forward. Your future is bright.